Oh man, take a look at that, man. Never thought I'd see the day when I see signs for Toys R Us closing, going out of business sales. Oh man, take a look at that. Everything must go. Crap. Sad, man, sad. Jeez. Okay, let's go. There it is, everyone. Toys R Us Express at Pearland Town Center. I'm gonna wait till this guy comes out and take his parking spot. Yeah. Store closing, 30% off. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh man, never thought I'd see today. This is the one closest to my house, by the way, at Pearland Town Center.
Wait.
All right, so that was Toys R Us Express. I think I'll be back here again because they're only at 10% off. Most of the things are 10% off selling there. Oh man, sad. Toys R Us going out of business, 80% off now. Sad, man, sad. All right, this is it, everyone. The final 9 days of Toys R Us being open. Let's go inside. I gotta find a parking space first. Oh man, take a look at that. Toys R Us lasts 3 days. Let's see what's left. Oh man, store closing. 80 to 90% off. Wonder what's gonna be inside. Let's go find out. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David A. Qua and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a brand new visitor to my YouTube channel and have no idea what my videos are all about, I love talking about things I'm passionate about, man. Movies, comic books, video games. I do hauls, reviews, unboxings. If that's the type of thing you're into, you may want to check out my other content. If you like what you see, do subscribe. If you like what you see here, you want to learn more about me, I have a Twitter and Instagram. Just follow David A. Qua. This is my final haul. My final purchase from my local Toys R Us. It's sad, man. Toys R Us has been a huge part of my life when I was a little kid. I go there every single year for Black Friday sales and everything. Kids in the future will never know what it's like to walk into a Toys R Us and see all these franchises and figures and games and posters and all this type of merchandise, you know, related to your favorite pop culture franchises and all that stuff. So I'm going to go through everything I have here. We'll probably do like separate unboxing videos, like the Star Wars stuff, WWE. We'll probably do this during an anime haul. Transformers. I'm pretty sure during the upcoming Bumblebee movie or there's going to be a new Transformers series or something. I'll give you my thoughts and then maybe unbag some of these blind bags. You want to know how much I paid for some of these? There's 42 of these 30th anniversary Transformers collectible figurines, right? How much did I pay for all these? Focus. 42 Transformers figurines for less than $10, man. Oh my gosh. Like, these are cheaper than like a pack of gum. So, I actually opened a couple of these already just to see what they're in. I don't want to unbag them and say like, oh, there's like 40 shockwaves and stuff like that. So I opened a couple already. We got Starscream. Okay, I'm really happy to have Starscream here. Something's wrong with my camera. It's not focusing. There, we got Starscream. And we have a Bumblebee. Very nice. There's an upcoming Bumblebee movie too. We got some Star Wars figures. Look at these Star Wars figures, man. They're only like a couple bucks each here. Let me see if I can find it on this. 3.75 figures. $4.50. These are the big ones. These are $4.50 right here. Yeah. Oh, here it is. The smaller figures. $2.40. $2.40 for these. So I got Leia. Okay, I got Leia from The Last Jedi, and I got Rose, because my Finn figure needs a friend. I already bought Finn from when The Force Awakens first came out and such. I got Poe Dameron. I didn't buy. I have all the main characters now, so here's Poe Dameron figure. Okay, he comes with some armor accessories, and I got this Rey and Elite Guard 2-pack. Though I already have this figure, by the way. I already have this Rey figure. I bought her separately, like this kind. But I really want this, what is he called? Elite Praetorian Guard. Okay. Got some WWE figures over here. We got, I have a bunch of these, by the way. I got like The Undertaker. I have Nikki Bella and Bayley and Charlotte. Well, here we got Brock Lesnar. Okay. The Beast. We got Finn Balor. We got Sasha Banks. I remember seeing at Toys R Us, like, they had all of them, by the way. Like, all the figures all in one big pack. It was like a Toys R Us exclusive. But these are cheap, man. They're like, I don't remember how much they were. It was like 60% off of it. 99. Yeah, it's like 40 cents. Okay. We got these Nitro Sprints WWE figures. They're only like a couple bucks. We got a Brock Lesnar here. And we got The Undertaker. He's adorable! Never thought I would say that about The Undertaker, but yeah. You put him in these little cars, and yeah, they roll and stuff like that. So we got the Beast, we got the Phenom right there. I'm going to unbox these Ruby figures, these Ruby mystery figures, during an anime unboxing or something like that. I have all of them, by the way. I got all the recent Ruby DVDs and Blu-rays. I'm sure Volume 5 is on its way, coming out, right? And then we got posters, man. Posters. How much did I buy an Overwatch poster for? 70 cents. What? Oh, she scanned one poster, and I got 4 posters here, but she just scanned the Overwatch one. I already framed the Overwatch one, okay, as you can see there. These other ones, this one's a Star Wars poster, very generic poster, and this one is Justice League. I'm pretty sure you can just look up this picture online. It's that group shot. Just go on Google, type in Justice League poster, and you'll see the poster for that. Okay, and this last one is Call of Duty World War II. That's right, from Activision. Call of Duty World War II. I'm pretty sure it's just the box art. Here, I got the game right here. I'm pretty sure it's this image. I'm pretty sure. If not, okay, I'll let you know. But it should be that image. Okay. Anyway, that is my haul, everyone, of my final Toys R Us. Now, there are a couple other Toys R Us, like in the surrounding cities in Houston. I'm going to check those out. They're still open. So this may not be it, everyone. This may not be the final video. But for now, as far as I know, this is it. All right? This is my final haul from Toys R Us. We'll probably split these videos up. We'll do unbaggings of the Transformers. We'll talk about Star Wars in its own video. Do a WWE haul video. Open these during anime video. All right? Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Talk guys later. Bye-bye.